Okay, so I got an Mk3 Supra here. I have an alarm system here that just goes off regardless, okay? I'll plug this in. Basically, it sits on here, okay? I'll show the alarm system. AL430. I guess I'll take a picture of the diagram after. Kind of see it. Right here. If I put this wire on here, and I go to start my car, well, it doesn't start, so I'm thinking that it might be because of this alarm system, but if I go to put my wiring here, it starts beeping. Right? So that's loud. Now if we go to start it, it doesn't. It deactivates that. It's not starting though. And then under here, you can see that I have a car starter. I can't even turn on the brake. Yeah, but I have a car starter here, and nothing's connected except for the coaxial. So, yeah, the car is not starting at all. So regardless, it won't start if the alarm is connected. Now, if I remove the alarm, I'm grounded right now, right? I remove it, get out of the way. I'm gonna try to start it now. Let's see if it starts. Yeah, so it cranks, doesn't start.